Friends, when was the last time you cried and what the cause of your tears? As I reflect with the gospel for today, I feel Jesus' own tears wash over my heart. In today's gospel, from the account of Luke chapter 19, verses 41 to 44, shows him looking frustrated over Jerusalem and weeping, not with simple crying, but with that deep, aching kind of weeping that comes from the love being ignored. Weeping is more deep than crying because crying is just the result or consequence of weeping, right? He cried because he was frustrated of the indifference of Jerusalem. And personally, when I hear Jesus say, Father Jack, you did not recognize the time of my visitation, I can't help but see myself in those words from the Lord. You know, there are days when I too live as though I don't need God because of my sins. Days when I move through life being distracted, busy or indifferent and not noticing the quiet ways God tries to reach me. And as I imagine myself, Jesus standing before my life, the way the way he stood before Jerusalem, I realized that his greatest sorrow is not my mistakes, not my failures, nor my repetitive sins, but the possibility that I might lose my soul by ignoring his presence. And you know what, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, the greatest sorrow of God is the loss of our soul. Jesus is not happy when we live a life as if we don't need him. Today, his tears feel like a gentle tug at my own heart, at my own life, a reminder that every movement of his grace is a visitation. Every whisper to do good is a knock on the door of my heart, and every steering toward conversion is him reaching out to me. And so I pray, Lord,